Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I figured I'd sit down with you guys and show you my Saltair. Saltair or Saltair? Not sure. Saltair? I placed an order with them and I got a few things and I figured I'd sit down with you guys and show you what I got. I got quite a few products in here. It's a brand that I have been loving and I just want to share with you guys what I got. So I figured this would be a fun little video for you guys. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe so you can stay up to date when I upload next. I generally upload every Sunday, all things beauty. So hit subscribe. All right, well, let's get into it. This brand I discovered at Target. Although the only product from them I've been able to find is their body washes. So that was the first product I tried. I love it. The one I'm using right now is their signature scent, which I think is the Santal Bloom. It's in my shower right now, but it comes out like a gel, serum-y consistency and lathers, and just the smells are great. They're kind of beachy to me and I love beachy scents, and I know summer's almost over, but some of the scents in here can definitely work all year round. But I just want to show you what I got because I went online and bought a few different things. I think I got like 8 things in here and I think I only spent about 70 bucks. So for that many products, I just feel like it's really not that expensive of a brand. Let me pull them up and see what they're all about. They believe body care is skincare, formulated with active skincare ingredients, nourishing oils, and exotic botanicals that treat skin and awaken the senses. Cruelty-free, absolutely love, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, and they celebrate all body types, all skin tones, and all genders, which is really, really nice. Their formulas contain active skincare, nourishing oils. Oh, I already said that. They're also dedicated to protecting the planet. I think that is awesome. So I just want to share a little bit about that. So I talked about the Santal Bloom is the current body wash I'm using in the shower. I love that scent. And then I ended up getting body oil. I've heard really great things about this. Like, how beautiful is this packaging? A glass bottle and a really nice pump. I've been using this a little bit. This is the Nourishing Body Oil and Santal Bloom. The scent is so good. Let me read the scent notes. Santal Bloom is rose, jasmine, sandalwood. I'm a big sandalwood girl, so that's probably why I love this. It's a very pretty smell, but also I feel like it has a calming effect to me. I don't know, something about this smell. It smells so good. I feel like it definitely is probably a more beachy smell, but I feel like I could get away with this year round because it does have a softer, warmer scent in there. Softer, warmer feel in this as well. It's just amazing. And this body oil, it comes out more like a, sorry, I don't want it to drip. It's definitely liquidy, but it does have a little bit of a gel-like consistency. I use probably way too much for my hand, but it blends into the skin and gives the prettiest glow, and it sinks into the skin right away. You don't feel oily or sticky or icky. It sinks into the skin and just gives you a really nice and natural pretty glow. And your skin feels so soft and you have a nice scent. Like, I've been loving it, and I've even been mixing it into body moisturizer if I don't want a full-on body glow. Sometimes I just add a few pumps of that in to give extra moisture and nourishment to my skin. This has blend of oils. I'm definitely gonna butcher some of these. Fermented sororus, kukui, kakay, and squalene. I love this, and I love the application of it with the pump and the cap, and this would look so pretty on a countertop in your bathroom. I just think that's beautiful. Going on some other body products, I should have got, I don't know why I had a brain fart, I should have got one of these in the Santal Bloom, so I could have had like the body wash, the body lotion, and the oil all in one scent, but sometimes my brain just doesn't think about things like that. But I wanted to try these 2 scents because I don't think I saw them in Target at all. This is Pear, and then this is Laguna, and these are in their body lotions. The Laguna is the Revitalizing body lotion. Has nut oils, coconut water, and seawater to revitalize and reestablish skin hydration, while hyaluronic acid plumps the look of skin. And then the Pear is a balancing. So prickly pear oil and fermented superfruit, plum, baboa fruits, and avocado give luxurious hydration. So this is similar packaging to the body washes. They come in this big plastic bottle and then they have really nice pumps. And I just love the packaging. I think it's simple, sleek. I love the color system. To me, this is just speaks to me. So let's try this one out. Smell this prickly pear. Okay, so this scent, Again, I got this stuff online, so I was kind of guessing. I do like to smell my scents in store before I buy, but again, I didn't see these in store and they just sounded good to me. This one's okay. The Prickly Pear. What are the notes in the Prickly Pear? I mean Pacific Pear. Pear, jasmine, and sandalwood. Okay. So you definitely get like a florally scent. The floral in this is pretty strong. I don't really get pear that much. I get more of whatever. It must be the jasmine is pretty powerful in this. It definitely smells more florally than pear, which is kind of like, I don't know if I'd get this scent again. I'll definitely use it because it is pretty, but it definitely smells like a very springy scent to me, florally. Springtime flowers. But I don't really get the pear. Let me put it on my skin and see if anything changes because of that. No, I smell the jasmine. It just kind of smells like a flower. Definitely a flower. But the texture is really nice. Sinks into the skin. I really like that. That's a really nice texture. So that's the balancing one. And then let's smell the Laguna for Revitalizing Extra Hydration. Again, the pump pops up. Very cute packaging. And the notes in Laguna are bergamot, grapefruit, and coconut. Those sound like my kind of party. This one's interesting as well. Kind of has a weird note to it. Something in there that I'm not really keen on. Like I can definitely smell a hint of coconut, some of the bergamot, but there's something weird in there that kind of makes it smell a little bit plasticky. I don't know. Not really loving either of those scents, to be honest. I mean, it's a body lotion. I will go through them pretty quickly probably because I put body lotion on almost every single day. I really like the textures. They feel really, really nice. They sink into the skin. Easy, very, very silky and easy to blend onto the skin. So I'm definitely going to use them, but I think my next scent would probably be the Santal Bloom. I also used the Pink Beach body wash before, and that's a really nice scent. It's just more summery because the notes are coconut, almond, blossom, and vanilla, but that's a really pretty beachy, summery scent as well. And then what really intrigued me was one of their newer products, their lip oil balm. Sorry, my lips are also looking crazy. I just filmed my lip combo video and I had to use so many lip products that my lips are now like chapped and stained from lip stains and they look like a mess, so just ignore that. I'm so sorry, I cannot get those lip stains off. But let's try this. I got this in Prickly Pear, formulated with coconut oil, maru, shea butter, and plant-derived esters. This oil balm nourishes and hydrates dry lips with a subtle sheen. So all the lip oils have a coconut vanilla flavor. The names are just the colors they come in. They have a clear one and then 10 sheer buildable shades. So our conditioning lip oil features a slippy, cushiony balm feel. Nourishes and hydrates lips. Like the packaging that came in, so cute. So again, I got Prickly Pear, which I think is a really pretty pink. Wasn't sure how sheer it was going to be, so let's try this out. This kind of reminds me of Summer Fridays, just they're shorter. Ooh. Oh, it smells like a cupcake. Ooh, wow, they actually look like they're going to have a good amount of pigment. Oh. Ooh. That's amazing. How much are these? These are $9. Oh, it smells so good. And look at that pigment. Let me see if I can put some on my hand for you guys because my lips can be a little distracting. But look at all that pigment and gloss. Wow. If you haven't bought the Summer Fridays because of the price, check these out. You could get like 3 for the price of 1 Summer Fridays. And I feel like it's so similar. That has really good pigment. I'm actually really impressed with this. This is definitely going to be in my purse going with me out and about. Really, really love this. Very impressed. All right. And then I got some deodorants. They had 2 different kinds. The first one is their regular traditional glide-on deodorant. And this is in Lush Greens. Clinically tested 24-hour odor protection. Oh, they're refillable. That's amazing. Utilizes skin-active acidification to keep odor at bay. Formulated with BHA, zinc, nourishing oils, and algae to help neutralize odor. Keeps you feeling fresh for long-lasting performance. This is refillable. That's amazing. Has salicylic acid in it for odor control while exfoliating and smoothing. Zinc neutralizes odor and absorbs odor. Tamanu oil and brown algae balances skin moisture barrier. There's some other ingredients in here that keep skin feeling fresh. That's a really, really nice scent, the Lush Greens, for a deodorant. Like, it's very spa-like, very refreshing. Definitely feel like this is probably going to be a really nice scent for under the arms. That smells really good. It's a twist up. It did have this protective cap, but I put it back on, so it definitely smushed it. And then a little twist on cap, which is really nice. Very similar to the Salt and Stone deodorants. But let me read you the notes of Lush Greens. Palm leaves, pear, and lily. Okay. I actually feel like I can smell the pear in this one. Yeah. In the greens. It's a really nice, refreshing spa-like scent, I would say. And then I also got the Serum deodorant. Look at this packaging. This packaging gives me like bougie Cape Cod, I don't know, vibes. It kind of reminds me of the Dolce & Gabbana light blue perfume, how like stunning this is. This is actually a glass bottle. So this is, I've never tried a Serum deodorant. This has 5% AHA, and this is in the scent Seascape. Serum deodorant is formulated with a multi-acid blend of these acids. I'm not going to say it. I'm going to keep butchering things. Acidifies the skin to combat odor, brighten the look of discoloration, and smooth and reduce the look of ingrowns, which I think is so cool. Keynotes: exotic grapefruit, lang lang, and white sand. This smell is my kind of smell. Seascape, exactly how it smells. It's so refreshing. It's a beachy, I don't even know how to describe it. I'm not very good with scents and describing them, but definitely a beachy, refreshing, white sand, clean smell. So it's a little roller ball. It's going to go on clear and then it's going to dry down. 30 to 60 seconds for deodorant to dry. So I'm excited because sometimes, you know, I do get some ingrown hairs or some discoloration. So excited to see how this works out, but this is like stunning and the smell is great. So I'm excited for those two deodorants. I'm always trying to find really good natural deodorants. They don't have any aluminum in them, so that's the only thing I ever worry about. Yeah, they don't have any baking soda. They don't have any aluminum in them either, so they're definitely a natural deodorant, which is awesome. How much was this? $10 for the deodorant, which is awesome. And let me see how much a refill is, because refills $8. So if you get this once, then you can buy a few refills in for $8, which I think is pretty comparable to a deodorant at the drugstore. So that's cool. Definitely excited to try both of those. I got a few products, so I ended up getting a free gift, and I got the dry shampoo. They have hair care on there also. This is the Santal Bloom Dry Shampoo, shea butter coated rice starch, lotus, and bamboo, absorb excess oil, refresh hair, and add body. Does it? Has the Santal Bloom smell to it. And I did try this once, and I was actually pretty impressed with it. I'm pretty picky about my dry shampoo. And I actually really, really like it. It didn't leave a heavy residue or like gritty feel, which I do not like gritty dry shampoos at all. And it cleaned my hair really, really nice. And it was like a really nice light texture and didn't leave a white cast. So I'm pretty impressed by this. I'm gonna keep using it to see how I really like it, but this is great. Now I wash my hair every like third day, so it just works out better for me. My hair's healthier, happier, my scalp's happier. But I don't go, 6-7 days without washing my hair, so my hair doesn't get super greasy. So I don't know how this would perform on like super greasy hair. So just keep that in mind. I am more like, I like a lighter dry shampoo that just refreshes and gets me like another day. So I'm really excited. I'm really impressed that I got this free gift. And then they also sent me another free gift. This is another brand. So what they say is they love to support independent brands. From time to time, you may find a surprise sample with your order from brands we admire. So this is a sample of Gleanser from the brand Prequel, launched by a female dermatologist. So this is a non-drying glycerin cleanser, clinically tested 24-hour moisture, a non-stripping glycerin cleanser for face and body formulated with blah blah blah, boost skin suppleness, the skin softening humectant rich glycerin cleanser effectively removes makeup, excess oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's natural moisture barrier and pH. Soothes and comforts, designed for all skin types and suitable dry or easily sensitive skin. So I think that's really cool that they give samples of other brands they admire. I think that's brands empowering other brands and not always trying to compete with each other. I think that's really cool, especially for smaller independent brands. I just love that about Saltair. So that's really cool. And this is a nice sample size. Really nice sample size. So I just thought that was like a really really nice, unique feature that they do. And again, I also got a free item on their website after spending so much, and I've just been loving this brand lately and just want to show you guys my little shopping spree from them and first impressions. Again, I had to try this stuff out, but I think I'm really gonna like it. Love this. Love the body oil. I think I'm gonna really like the deodorants, and the body moisturizers. Scents aren't my favorite, but that's okay. Not too picky about body lotion anyways, and if I pair it with this might be nice to pair with them and kind of boost the scent a little bit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I thought it'd be fun again to share with you my little spree from them. And again, don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. I do all things beauty, and every Sunday there's a new video, so subscribe so you can see when I upload next. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you've tried anything from Saltair and that you love, let me know down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!